If your toilet is leaking from the overflow tube, it usually means the water level in the tank is too high and spilling over, which is super annoying but totally fixable. So, here's the deal. First, check the water level inside the tank by lifting the lid and seeing where the water sits compared to the overflow tube. The water should be about 1/4 of an inch below the top of that tube, not above it. If it's too high, you gotta adjust the float. If you have a ball float, just bend the arm down a bit. If it's a cup float, there's usually a little clip or screw to move it up or down. Next, flush the toilet and watch the water level refill. Make sure it stays below the overflow tube this time. Sometimes debris or mineral buildup can mess with the fill valve, so if adjusting doesn't work, try cleaning or replacing that valve. Also, check that the flapper is sealing right, because if it's leaking, water keeps running and might look like an overflow issue. If you hear constant running water, it's probably linked to this. Lastly, after you fix the height, keep an eye on your water bill. Leaks can make it spike without you noticing. One of the biggest problems with toilet leaks from the overflow tube is setting the water level too high. Fix. Lower the float so water stops spilling. Another common mistake is ignoring a faulty fill valve that won't shut off properly. Swapping it out usually sorts that. The third issue is a worn-out flapper allowing water to sneak through. Replacing it with a new one gives you peace of mind and stops leaks. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle toilet repairs and other home fixes. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with real clients looking for reliable pros to get their projects done right.